Come on over here, you little bugger. Oh, it's not sunny out either. Come on, get out and beach this boat, honey. Yeah. Like, let's not forget what our duties are.
Oh, shut up.
Look at that. I hope that iguana comes up and takes a bite out of you.
Okay, are you gonna
Look at there's one behind you too. He's looking at your ass. Uh-oh, he's coming for you.
Let's get the anchor out.
The iguanas of the Bahamas. Nice.
I don't think the long rope will attach.
That's fine. Just put the anchor out. Let me get out too. Anyway, yeah, just put it here because I don't want to be humping it all the way over.
Yeah.
Look at, he's getting ready to pounce. He wants that furry thing, eh? He wants the dead cat. Get lost, I'll have you for dinner. Our early morning start, and Sandy and I both got blue on today. Blue hoodies. I like that.
Matchy matchy.
I like to be matching. See, I like that kind of stuff. She's not into it at all, but she's the fun police. What can I say?
I wore this on purpose. What do you think John's doing, everybody?
In situations like this, it's good to be a man. Nice. Okay, where are you going, dear? Okay, here, watch out. You're heading to shore.
You can see on the tablet. So right now we're here and we are going to come up to this.
Oh, there you go, Sandy. Always touching the screen. Drives me nuts.
We're going to come up to this waypoint here and try and anchor over here. So
you're going overboard. You're going to be shark food. Listen, Sandy's always touching these things. I can't say what I want to say on the internet or else they'll take the video down because of my language. But she's always touching these screens, and when she touches them, because they're, you know, touch sensitive, other things pop up and she just screws it all up. It's no different than when we're driving in a car and she's sitting in a passenger seat and I'm about to left-hand turn. She will do everything possible to lean over and go into the glove box or reach something off the dash so it blocks my visibility. This is no different on the boat. She does everything possible to obstruct me.
it makes my day to make him extremely uncomfortable.
That's what married life's about, guys. This is what married life's all about. Being on a 43-foot boat, 14-foot wide, and you can't get away from each other. Your input, dear.
Okay.
0.5, 0.7, 1 foot, 6, 1. Maybe up there. 1.2 underneath the keel. And that's what it's looking like. We're real shallow, skinny water here. But we're making our way through. We are at low tide. But this is what we go through. Uh-oh. So 1 foot, 1.2, 1.1. Okay. It's sand, and we don't want to come to an abrupt stop. 1 and 2 knots of speed.
Doing his anchor duty.
Remote lanyard, yeah.
I've made.
Oh, is that your first loaf this year?
Yes.
Nice. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. What kind of bread is that?
It's just white bread with flaxseed, and I put a little oregano in it.
Yeah, nice. It looks great.
Mm-hmm.
Yum, yum. Oh, it's nice and hot. Ooh, smell that, guys. The smell here inside this boat. Close the hatches. Close the hatches. I want more of this.
Yummy. It's only 8:30, so I was up just after 6:37.
That's a record, guys. That's a record because she's usually a 10 o'clocker.
Oh.
You know, usually she's dressed by 11. This is a problem we have. This is, you know what? This is a good topic. This is a ongoing problem we have. I'm an early riser, and she doesn't get up. Like, she won't get up. She'll get up and dawdle. Like, she'll get up at 9 o'clock, dawdle, and then by 11 o'clock, 10:30, she'll be dressed. It's awful. I'm ready to go at 5:30. My day starts at 5:30, 5 o'clock. Okay?
Maybe
now,
to go to the bathroom and then go back to bed.
No. No. You get up and she starts the coffee. You know, I'm going to be quite honest. She brings the coffee to bed here. And then she goes back to sleep, though.
No.
That's what really happens, guys. And I know you believe me.
Oh no, they believe me.
No. No, they can tell by your laughing that you're full of shit.
Nope.
Okay.
Let's
Anyway.
work, John, because then I'm out of the picture. Okay. Get
Perfect. Okay. So.
on. This isn't gonna work.
Hold on. It will work. Now. Okay. Get a little closer.
You're just gonna cheat. There's no sense in even playing.
Okay.
Oh my God. Shoot me now. Please, somebody.
All right. It looks like I'm going to win this game, too. Okay. So we're going to try and play two-handed Skippo here. I don't know if you guys know what that game is, but it's a game I win all the time.
He wishes.
What?
He wishes he
All right.
wins it all the time. He may win between him and I don't know, but he barely ever wins.
Okay, look it. I just want to thank you guys for following along. I appreciate it. Only because it makes it worthwhile doing these cheesy videos. And trust me, we're just doing it for fun. And yeah, we just want to thank you guys. What?
Yes.
Go ahead.
No, John gets very serious though when he's editing. Very serious.
Well, because you know what the problem with editing on the boat is?
You're asking stupid
Is she'll
questions.
start doing the dishes, clank, 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 or vacuuming. Like, she will wait all day long until I'm doing video editing, and then she'll start vacuuming.
Because that's my downtime.
Psychopath.
I don't get an opportunity all the other times because I'm running around getting you crap. See? Do you see?
Maybe that's true.
That's 100% true.
Oh boy.
God.